Welcome to our channel. If you need to verify your Asana project management account to collaborate with your team, follow these simple step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Visit asana.com and click Get Started or Sign Up to create your free Asana account for project and task management. Step 2. Enter your work email address to create your account. Asana will use this email as your account identifier and for all communications. Step 3. Create a strong password for your Asana account or choose to sign up using your Google account for faster registration and sign in. Step 4. Check your email inbox for a verification message from Asana sent to the email address you provided during registration. Step 5. Open the verification email from Asana and click on the confirmation link or button to verify your email address and activate your account. Step 6. If you didn't receive the verification email, check your spam or junk folder or click the Resend Verification Email option in your Asana account. Step 7. Complete your profile setup by adding your full name, profile photo, and job title to help team members identify you in shared projects. Step 8. Create your first workspace or join an existing one by entering your organization's domain or accepting a team invitation if you received one. Step 9. If joining an organization workspace, you may need additional verification from your workspace administrator before gaining full access to company projects. Step 10. Set up your notification preferences and working hours in your account settings to manage how and when you receive updates from Asana. Step 11. Once your email is verified and your profile is complete, you can start creating projects, adding tasks, and collaborating with your team on Asana. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.